Here's a quick video to show you how to replace a battery in your Ford key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. And you're also going to need a thin flat blade screwdriver. This one's a 1.5. So a couple different ways you can do this one. You can either squeeze these two pieces together and remove this and then kind of pry in here. I find it easier to go in the side here, just like that, and then work the two halves apart, just like that. You got to be careful because this little piece right here gets stuck in that hole, so you don't want to break that off. Once you're here, go ahead and take your screwdriver, pry that dead battery out. Make sure you place your new one positive side facing downward, just like that. Clip these two halves back together. Put in your back piece if you have removed it. And you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.